Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to do a video today with the assistance of my lovely wife on a new purchase of the Shark lift away vacuum that we just recently purchased through a Walmart company. And this is the box. This is not the box that it came in. It was a cardboard box, but it was the same size and didn't have any additional packing. But anyway, so my wife's going to unpack it and talk to you about it.
Today what I want to do is, use the lift away function to clean my basement stairs. So that's kind of what I want to demonstrate to you. First thing, of course, is to release the cord from the machine. Then the second thing is to take the handle, from the top. I need to get this wand also out of the way. So there's a button here that says release wand. I depress that and pull up, and there's the wand. That's removed. I'm going to be using the pet crevice tool with the brush removed. I don't want the brush on the stairs. And I'm just going to put on this small attachment here. The next thing I'll need to do to set the machine up to do this is I'll have to get the lift away canister removed from the pod. And as you recall from some of the other videos that have been put up, there is a button called lift away. You would depress that and then just basically lift straight up and it releases. So now everything is portable to go down and start vacuuming my stairs. I will put the button, there's a button up here that says hardwood or carpet, and I definitely want to push that. I definitely want to put that on carpet. There. So now we're ready to begin actual vacuuming with the lift away, removed from the pod, floor pod, and the attachment connected to the hose. Let's just see what kind of cleaning job I get here. So as you can see, it's picking up quite a bit of dirt from the stairs. So it's doing a very good job with suctioning, and it's very easy with this canister and this wand in my hand. Doesn't take a lot of effort